What's good, capital bros and capital girl hats? I think girl hats. Never mind. So this is our first sit down.
Yeah, first sit down for 2025.
Trading related.
Trading related.
Yeah.
In the office.
In the office
In
with
the
some
office.
effects and
With-
some
yes.
mics.
Do you
Give
see
us some
this?
feedback on like how it sounds and stuff.
This
guys.
is a green screen.
Insert day here. Remember. We needed it then.
Oh yes, context for this video. We'll be going through our trades that we did this week.
Yeah.
Just like a brief evaluation, or not yet evaluation, more like a rundown. Oh my god. We're
Focus.
focusing. We'll be doing a brief rundown on our trades this week. Our trades are similar in some ways, and then there's
because
just
we have
like
the overall
one
strategy.
trade that I took is a little different.
Yeah. If so, for the new people, make sure to join the WhatsApp group, because we will be posting stuff there. And keep in mind, or bear in mind, the WhatsApp group is not a signal group. We are basically also new people, and we want to build a group that
I don't
people
sell signals.
No signal, guys. It's just you share your trades. So if you have a trade, if you don't, it's not like we're gonna share signal. You should take the same trade just to see your journey and our journey. So on my side for the week is basically I'm on the overall for the week. I'm down. This is my first week back into trading. I didn't trade the whole December. I think the last time I traded was like the second week in December starting, and then I stopped for like 3 weeks. So this is my first week back. And on Monday I took an L. Didn't even really go into the middle. Tuesday I took a L. Wednesday I took a L. Yesterday Friday. Yesterday was a break even. I wouldn't say break even. I took a little profit. You can see there I took like 0.74 because I saw the new day's setup started, and yeah.
Now,
so today was a dub.
because of Curtis's rules,
Hmm.
even though like it could be a dub, a certain time
You
is
have to-
reached and he has to either close the trade.
Yeah, because the new setup is basically on the next day. With this, I'm not gonna explain the offers tree because that's limited to us, and that's our strategy. We'll explain trading and how to get better, but once you've reached a certain stage, we don't want to give our things away, man. You know,
I wanna give
we
away
can help
secrets.
you. We can, yeah,
No
we-
secret, please.
So that's more or less the strategy, and this line is basically related to strategy, which is called Alpha 3. I went over this. Yeah, other capital bro F, me and we made this, but I'm not gonna go into depth this. But yeah, that's basically my week as I would say first week back got me back into basically being on time, make sure I have my stuff. I documented 2 of it, so I'm lacking on the documentation part. But yeah, that's basically me for this week.
This was like a what?
On the good side, I didn't break any of my rules this week. So yeah, I took my L's, took my W's, and we win. No rules were broken. I just missed my documentation. So yeah,
It's not even like a 50% win ratio this week for you, man. It was like
it's 3 to 2. It's 3 to 2. It's 3 to 2. So it's basically on average, the strategy does must not give what they call it 3 to 2, but on the W side and not the L side. But yeah, that's enough said of the strategy, Mr. D.
Yes. That is
Take
his
the
live
floor.
day trade.
Take the
Okay,
floor.
righto. The mouse doesn't come all the way.
I know, shit.
I gotta stretch. Righto. Where's my bro?
The bottom. The browser.
Yeah, they. Don't look at this.
That's
Don't look at it.
Some work, guys.
Don't look at it.
Some work.
Righto, gentlemen and ladies. Or lady, I don't know.
Alex.
Okay, well, bros and broettes.
We're keeping
There
that
we
in,
go.
boss.
There we go. Let's say bros and broettes. There we go. This is my week.
A little bit crazy over here.
It's looking crazy, but it's all profit all the
You have a better
time.
way than me, bro.
Yes. This week I'm not this week. Since December or November, I've been busy creating my own strategy. It's a mesh between what Curtis is doing and the SMC trading strategy that we've been using earlier on.
The core,
Yeah, like our foundation basically. So I decided to try and implement it together with the 2 strategies just to see how it works out. And so far so good. This is Monday, right over here. This is Monday. I remember Monday I used as an entry point for the long trade. So over there. Yes, okay. Monday I use it as an entry point for the long trade. As you can see here and here. I'm just joking. Sorry, I'm wasting time. We need watch time. I used in order for the long SMC trade to play out or to even be entered in. The half-past 3 had to be a win basically. So I had to have taken a dub in order, because the TP of the half-past 3 is basically my entry point into the long trade.
But
You'll-
still, like what Mr. D just said, nah, you have the half past 3. But what I'm saying, SMC, for example, with SMC you have more likely to have 1 to 2s or 1 to 3s. And half past 3 is based on the 30 minutes. Mr. D used that the half past 3 as a first rule. And then SMCs, for example, where he wanted to exit was basically that demand zone or demand zone because he's taking a sell in this case, which was at maybe a 1 to 3. So that basically led downwards, which gave him more profit, like a 1 to 3 instead of a normal 1 to 1. So yeah,
yes.
so that.
Also, for the long trade, this long trade here, I did on the 1 hour time frame. This
yes,
is
exactly.
this is on the 30-minute time frame. I adjusted my stop loss here, so if you think I got stopped out, no, I didn't. I just adjusted it a little bit, then I get stopped out, took a full dub, as you can clearly see. And then
Mr. D's crazy. He does inner trades. Look at this.
look at this inner trade.
Not crazy, but he's trying things. It's good.
And then we started again, and this I took this trade, the small 30-minute trade within still the time frame of the hour trade, which was still running through. Actually, this is actually last week, no?
But
No.
You can check the date. Just go to start.
This is last week.
Friday is last.
Yeah, this is last week. I am so sorry for taking up your time. Anyways, look at my dubs. Look at my dubs. I've been winning since last week.
Mr. D has been going 8-0 while I'm here 3
Yes.
to.
Yes, this week. Yes, this week. Oh my god. I am so sorry for wasting your time. We need watch hours. Again, same thing as I said earlier on. Blah blah. 30-minute. The TP is my entry point. Came in, and then I took another. This is the 1-to-1. This is the one that Curtis lost. Now again, I moved my stop loss just a little higher than what Curtis was, and I had to move my TP a little lower as well, just to break even. And again, this is the long trade, the hour trade. This was the hour trade. This was the in-betweens. I think this was this one. Then this one. This one was yesterday. Yeah, this one was yesterday. Just like Curtis. I just took it while I was in the profit anyways. And then I did not jump into today's trade, which is Friday. This was Friday, yeah. Anyways, this was my week, a week of dubs. Now, as I said, this is a strategy I'm still busy creating. But since I started using it, or started developing it, it's been 100% win rate, which is not going to be there forever. But it's, the thing that I think is because it's not. I know why it's 100%. It's because basically the long trade I only do once a week. So basically once this trade kicks in, I'll probably only do like another trade or 2 within the week, like I did here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 trades for this week. The one for the kick in basically, and then the in-betweeners. I don't usually take that much in-betweeners. I usually just use the one for the kick in and then the long trade, and then I'd maybe take one in-betweener. But this week I was feeling frisky, I made a profit of 17,000, yes. No, that's my week.
That's basically it on our side, and the trading, that's basically update on the trading for next week. More or less, it's gonna be more of the same. We're gonna have our same setups. That's the thing. Trading becomes boring. You're gonna do the exact same shit over and over and over. Yep.
And also, I'll be making live day trading videos on how I use my strategy. So keep a lookout for that.
That's mostly the update on this week, first week back. Mr. D has been going actively, learning more, documenting, backtesting this, which is good because we don't just have the half past 3, we have half past 3 / something.
I don't have a name yet.
Yeah, we didn't name.
You know what? Best name in the comments, I'll use it.
Yeah,
From
yeah.
now on. Best name, I'll use it. Remember, it's a mixture between the half past 3 and SMC.
And also give some feedback on the quality and stuff, guys. We want more comments, we want active. Join the group if you're watching this. A little bit more activity. This is a great year. We're gonna make a lot of money, a lot of achievements and stuff, and that's for you also. We wanna basically.
We will also be doing a lot of slice of life
Slice of
game
life.
this year,
Yeah,
not
but
just
we've
trading.
been saying it so much, but you will just see it.
Yeah,
Guys.
y'all know.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's basically this week. We will spot you
You
properly.
know what? I'll have another update for next week. How about that? I'll update you. I'll update you guys next week. We will update you next week.
And hopefully I want to get. Okay, let me not say it. Let me not spoil it. I was gonna say about Joe, but I'll
There's
get
also something else I'm busy working with in the background. So if it works out, I'll give you guys a shout. Yeah.
But that's it.
That's been Capital Bros for
Capital
today.
Bros, we increasing production. We
Increasing profits, increasing techniques, increasing knowledge.
Exactly.
Yes.
So I'm Capital Bro C,
And I'm D.
we will
Capital
spot
Bro
you
D.
in Another one.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, before we spot you in another one, links to the group is at the bottom.
Yeah.
Affiliate links is also at the
Anything,
bottom.
all the brokers.
Looking for a
whatever.
broker? HFM, XM. You got us. We got links. We got affiliate. Peace out.
Exactly.